Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, August the 19th, 2021. In this edition, we have three puzzles left: Tectonic with 4 stars, Killer Sudoku, and a binary puzzle. But for you, boys and girls, the binary puzzle. Yes. And this one will be number 3267. All right. Before I start, let me see what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. And the fourth one should be in one of those 3. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row. Okay, so that box should be an O. Okay. Yeah, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah. Do we need to compare? That's the question. Oh, 11. We have a this column and that column. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have O there. This should be a 1. A double 1 here no there no. Double O here 1 there 1. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Now we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Yeah. Think I need to compare again. Yeah. This row and that row. 0011 0011 0011 empty box. Okay. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Yes, completed in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.